How to remove repost video on your TikTok profile. Hello again guys and welcome back to another simple video. So if you want to remove some reposted videos that you liked, follow this simple steps. It works on both iPhone and Android. First, let's see how we can repost some videos. Open TikTok and find some video that you like. Click on the share button at the down right corner. You will see a pop-up window at the bottom of the screen. Click on the repost option. Now when you open your profile you can see a new icon above your post. This is a collection of all videos that you reposted. Now if you want to remove some videos, the technique is the same as reposting. Click on video and click on the share button. Now you can see the button remove repost. At the top of the screen you can see a message that you removed the reposted video. And now you remove the video from your profile. That will be all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.